Working out tears your muscles down. It's during recovery that your muscles actually grow. And when you're in a summer cut, recovery is even more important because you're in a calorie deficit. And when your calories are low, that means you need to amp up your recovery efforts so you stay strong, lose body fat, keep your muscles full, and stay healthy. My name's Tom with Friskified Fitness, and this is how to recover better from your summer cut workouts. Let's get at it. Take an ice bath or do cold showers. Cold exposure has long been used by athletes to reduce inflammation, muscle soreness, localized pain, and allow you to hit like and subscribe. Reducing inflammation, joint pain, and muscle soreness are important so you feel ready for your next workout. But cold showers have also been shown to increase circulation. Increased circulation means your blood will have an easier time of carrying nutrients to your muscles so they recover and grow, which is important during your summer cut after all. Start by ending your showers with a 30-second blast of cold water. Once that becomes your norm, alternate the temperature of your showers with 30 seconds hot, followed by 30 seconds cold, and go back and forth. Once that becomes your norm, then you can increase the length of your intervals and perhaps take an entirely cold shower. Stretching or yoga. Dynamic stretching, where you're moving the area stretched, helps increase blood flow and remove waste products. That means your muscles will get more nutrients and get rid of the stuff that's causing pain. And when you're recovering from an injury, gentle stretching, where your stretches are sub-maximum, can help relax tight muscles. That means you'll feel better and be more mobile quicker. Static stretches, where you're holding the stretch, are better for increased long-term flexibility. More flexibility means that you can increase your range of motion on your exercises, which can lead to more gains. No doubt about it, stretching is a great recovery tool when cutting for summer. Massages and foam rolling. You know, massages feel amazing, and they're a great way to remove waste products from your muscles while increasing circulation. But unless you have a massage therapist you can blackmail, going to a masseuse can get really expensive really fast. Foam rolling, however, is a viable substitute for massage, and a foam roller can be a one-time investment of less than $30. In addition to aiding circulation and removing waste, it can help increase your flexibility. But you can also control how much pressure is used when you're focusing on a particular muscle group. Plus, you can foam roll anytime you have a few minutes. And when you're doing a summer cut, who doesn't like easy? Get your nutrition on point. When you're doing a summer cut, one thing is for certain. Your nutrition has to be on point. Whatever your diet or nutritional plan is, you're going to be in a calorie deficit. But you should never be in a nutritional deficit. Without the right mix of macros, protein, carbs, and fat, your body won't have a chance to recover from your demanding summer cut workouts. Protein will help repair and grow your muscles. Carbs give you energy to crush your workouts and keep your muscles full, and fats help your hormones stay in balance. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Water has no calories, but it can help suppress your hunger as well as satisfy your thirst. If, for instance, you drink a cup or two of water before eating, it could help prevent you from overeating, which is crucial during a summer cut. Water may also increase your metabolic rate. What that means is you could possibly burn more calories at rest. Water is also important to your body to break down body fat to be used for energy. That and being fully hydrated will help you move the food along to its final destination, if you know what I mean. How much should you drink? Well, the recommendations are all over the board. A good starting point is taking half your body weight in pounds and drink that many ounces. So, if for instance you weigh 160 pounds, then you'd start by drinking 80 ounces of water. Start there and adjust by listening to your body. Sleep. There's no more important recovery tool during your summer cut, or anytime really, than getting enough sleep. Like with hydration, the recommendations for how long you should sleep vary, but 7 to 9 hours per day seems to be the sweet spot for most. Some require more, while some need less. But sleep is essential to keep your hormones in balance, particularly the ones that control your appetite. And sleep deprivation, which by the way is used as a torture technique for obvious reasons because it works, it tends to lead many to high-calorie, unhealthy food. And during a summer cut, that's not great. Solid sleep also supplies you with more energy than when you're lacking Z's. Good sleep also keeps your metabolism healthy. And that's how to recover better from your summer cut workouts. Did I miss anything? Anything you'd like to add? Let me know down in the comments below, and while you're there, give me a like and a subscribe. Well, that's about it for today. My name's Tom. This is Friskified Fitness. I'll see you next time.